One stormy night, Miss Hina heard whining, and she went to check who it was. And when she found her son curled up in his bed, she said, "Are you okay, sweetie?" "No, Mommy," said her little boy. "Why, what's wrong, Gorou?" she said, approaching her little pup. "Well, I'm scared of the thunder, Mama. What if the thunder gets me?" he said. "Don't worry, sweetie. Everything will be okay." "I'm scared," he said, holding his favorite teddy bear, and his ears were down, and he was whining. And Miss Hina said, "Don't be scared, sweetie. Everything will be okay." "Don't be scared, Gorou. It's just thunder. It won't hurt you." "You promise?" "Yes, I promise you." "Don't worry, sweetie. Here, have a cup of warm milk." "Thank you, Mama." "You're welcome, honey." I know, it's scary, I know. Shh. It's okay, Gorou. Just continue drinking your milk. It's gonna be okay. I promise. It's alright, Gorou. Don't cry, honey. It's okay. And then a few hours later, little Gorou began to feel better. And he said, "Mommy, I feel better now." "Oh, that's good, sweetie. Do you still want your milk?" "Yes." "Okay. Here we go, honey. In a bottle." "But baby, you're a big boy now." "No, I want it in my bubble." Okay. Here you go in your bottle. Thank you." "Oh, you're so cute." "Mommy?" "Yes? Can you sleep with me tonight? I'm scared." "Okay." And then Miss Hina wrapped her tail around Gorou, and she said, "Don't be scared, sweetie. Mommy's here now. Mommy will protect you. I promise." "You promise, Mama?" "Yes, I promise." "What is it, Gorou?" I'm scared." "Don't be scared, sweetie. I know it's lightning and thunder can be scary, but don't worry. Mommy's here now. Mommy will protect you. And I love you with all my heart, sweetie." "I love you too, Mommy." What is it, Gorou? You're stepping on my tail. Oh, I'm sorry, honey. Mommy? Yeah? Can I have some more milk? Okay, baby. Here's another bottle of milk. Thank you. Yummy, milky. Nice and warm, just like the way I like it. Thank you, Mama. You're welcome, honey. Hey, Mommy. Yes, baby? You are the best mommy ever. Aw, thank you for letting me know, honey, because I love you so much, too. I love you, Mommy. Good night. Good night, baby. The end.